Lawmakers are promising to take a hard look over the next year at legalizing medical marijuana.
They'll be looking at the research, including a clinical trial that's currently underway at Nationwide Children's Hospital. As NBC4 reporter Ted Hart explains, the trial is showing some promise for cases of pediatric epilepsy. Ted?
Yeah, the clinical trial at Nationwide Children's had room for 50 children, patients for whom other seizure medications had failed. There were far more candidates than there were spots available in the trial, but they're all watching closely now and keeping their fingers crossed.
You like Barney, huh?
Today's a special day for Danny Amoroso. It's his 7th birthday. For his mother, Vanessa, every day is a special day with Danny.
He has 5 or 6 different types of seizures. He is not a candidate for surgery because they're all over in his brain.
Danny has at times had as many as 70 to 80 seizures a day. He has a rare condition called Angelman syndrome, which in turn causes the epilepsy.
Yes, it consumes us safety, sleep. Typically, Angelman kids sleep between I'm going to say 4 and 6 hours a day.
Danny was a candidate, but didn't make the final cut for a clinical trial at Nationwide Children's Hospital of a drug called Epidiolex. It's derived from the marijuana plant, the cannabis oil that provides medicinal benefits without the THC that gets you high. It's showing promising results.
About half of them have had at least 50% or more reduction of their seizures.
But Dr. Anup Patel says more rigorous standardized testing is needed.
And there are very desperate children out there that need better and more treatments. But we have to ensure that they're safe.
Not getting into the clinical trial was a big disappointment for Vanessa and her family. She wants medical marijuana for her son here in Ohio, but only, she says, when it's been tested and FDA approved.
If we wanted to go somewhere else and buy it and try it, that's not me. I'm not going to do that. I want to make sure that my doctor is okay with it, and it's his life.
And Nationwide Children's is one of a number of facilities around the country participating in this clinical trial. More detailed results are expected.